So I made last year this cute corset out from a pair of denim pants, and I attached cute butterflies on it. But I was left with the waist part of the denim pants that fits me very well. And then I had this idea to make a skirt and use the waist part of the denim pants. So what I did, I overlocked that part that I want to sew, and I left long like that because I wasn't sure where I want to start to sew the skirt fabric that I'm gonna gather. I did very simple, just 1 meter of fabric that I have, and then I overlock, and then I'm gonna do the hemming very simple, just fold twice. And I also did 2 gathery stitches around where I'm gonna gather the fabric. So my cotton has a little bit stretch, and my denim also has a little bit stretch, so was very nice to work with. And I'm gonna sew the denim together with the skirt with zigzag stitch, because since it has a little bit stretch, I'm afraid that if I only use the straight stitch, it will break the seams when I'm wearing it. And then I'm gonna sew there, matching the side seams, and my skirt is done. I'm very happy with the results. I have been going to work with this skirt 3 times, and it's super comfortable. So it's a very nice idea. If you have a pair of pants that you don't like how it fits in the legs anymore, you can use the legs to make a bag or a corset or something else, a vest for example. But if you really like how the waist fits, and then you can make a very easy skirt for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.